Dealing with Toxic People in Your Life, Part 6. Let's talk about dealing with your emotions after you have seen the toxic person in your life. You've made it. You got through the event where you had to see the toxic person, but something they said just keeps ringing in your ears. Something about you, or secondarily about you. We as human beings will stew over things after the fact. Most people will. It's normal, because human beings as social creatures very much care about the opinions of others. When it comes to the toxic person in your life, though, you really need to unlearn this. Their opinion doesn't matter. I repeat, their opinion doesn't matter. What you think of you is the most important opinion in the world. It can be helpful for some people to realize that you are more enlightened than the toxic person. Isn't it sad that they don't realize how important mutual respect is? And open your hands and let go of the comment, "It no longer belongs to you." Move on. You are worth more.